Hi, my name is Chris, and today we have the LIFX tiles. Now, I love RGB lighting. As you can see back here, I have a full set of 30 Nanoleaf light panels. I've had them for a year and a half and I love them. That's why I wanted to give these bad boys a try. So let's get started with unboxing. All right, let's take this off. Looks like you got a pamphlet here. Instructions. And here are the light panels. So each light panel here is 7.9 by 7.9 inches, which is 20 centimeters per side, perfect square. It's pretty hefty, but apparently these command strips hold up really well. What I don't like about this right here is that it's really thick. It's not like your Nanoleaf thin panels, but we'll see how it looks on the wall. So there's 5 of these. They all look about the same. All right, this power supply. I'm assuming these are the cables. Whoops, yep, that's all the cables and the adapter. This is everything laid out. Let's see how setup goes. So these wires here are really long and unpliable, and you have to meander them through channels to get the panels to fit flush together. What made it difficult was that it kept popping out of the grooves they were supposed to fit in, which made the process exponentially longer. The app setup process was fast though, only took 5 minutes or so. I will have to say, getting this onto the wall was incredibly difficult, taking me about an hour and the help of my friend. Here's what it looks turned on. Okay, here we have the app, right? Power button, off, on, really responsive. Middle wheel is the scroll wheel. It changes the brightness. So this is 2% brightness. This is 100% brightness. I'm gonna bring it back down a little bit. This wheel right here, this changes the color. Pretty cool. If you scroll to the right, you have different gradients of white. Now, if I move over a tab, it has preset themes, which changes the panels to different gradients. So let's try this one called Proud. Right, different shades of red, purple, orange, and yellow. This one is called Dream. Honestly, really cool, and it has a lot of preset effects. I really like the ones called Morph and Random. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. Beautiful light panels. There's 64 addressable LEDs per tile, which means that each tile can have a different color at any one point. There's no hub required for voice activation, although some of it's limited. It's got a very customizable app, and there's this really cool function that actually just came out in 2019 where you can actually touch the panels. So if you double touch, it turns it on and off, which is super convenient. And if you touch it once, it filters through different themes. Cons. You can only put 5 tiles per power source. Some places say you can do 10, but I haven't confirmed that. It's also a little bulkier. At 1 inch thick, it does jet out from the wall, but once you turn it on, it's not a big deal. With voice control, you can only change the dimness as well as turning it on and off. You can't change the theme yet. Lastly, I did read some reviews online. It did say that every now and then the panels would disconnect from the Wi-Fi, or one panel will go dark compared to the others and you have to resync it. I haven't seen that yet, but if I do, I will put that in the description below. Lastly, I do want to stress this. They were a nightmare to set up, but if you can get past the setup, they look beautiful. If I was to give an overall holistic rating, I'd give it probably 8 out of 10. I deduct 2 points entirely for the setup because of how frustrating they were. But now looking at them, they look really nice. Now in a future video, I will do a comparison between the LIFX panels as well as the Nanoleafs, but that's for later down the line. This pretty much sums it up for the video. If you guys have any questions, shoot them below. Thank you guys for watching. I forgot to show you this last one. Ready? If you have seizures, don't watch this.